Okay, hello everybody from Patron Tequila. I want to show you today how we're going to engrave the Ultimat vodka bottle using your rotary attachment and the epilogue laser. The first thing you want to do is take your vodka bottle and make sure it's level and square. So you want to make sure the butt end here is pushed up against that nylon stopper that's in the rear there. And we want to level our bottle off, and so you have this little turn screw here, which is a scissor jack. But then also this is a brake here where you can move the wheels left to right. So you can see that it's nice and equidistant here. So we first want to level it off. So I'm going to just crank it up and eyeball it and make sure that that bottle's a little bit level. So it's nice and level right there. So we're good to go. And so now we're going to take the bottle off and install the rotary attachment. So you want to make sure that your table is lowered all the way to the bottom, all the way down, and the machine is shut off. And so now we want to install the rotary attachment. So you have your pins on the rotary attachment, you have your other pin here, and so you want to put them and place them near the holes on your table. So you first want to go in, small end first, and get that lined up in the machine with the holes provided. So you just move it around and it kind of locks into place. And so now we're all set to go. Then you have your plug, and you want the plug end on top here, and so you're going to insert that into the plug here in the back. And so we're going to insert that right in there like so. And so we're good to go here, and so we're ready to turn on the machine. So once that's installed, again, remember that you want the machine turned off before you plug it in. And so we're ready to go. We're going to turn on the machine. It's going to prompt, and it's going to go right to the center of the rotary attachment. So the machine now knows that the rotary is installed. So we're going to take our Ultimat bottle, we're going to place it inside the machine, and we're going to go right back to our rules here. And rule number 1 is focus. So we're going to grab our focal gauge, and I'm going to focus to the bottle. And so we're going to do our thing, XY off, go. We're going to move this to the center here and find the height here. Use the arrow keys to find the height. And I'm going to bring the table up right to where it touches the tip of the bottle. So right there is perfect. So we're going to take the gauge off, put it to the side, and then at this point we're just going to hit reset. And so we're going to hit reset on the machine, and so it prompts right there. And so the next thing we want to do is we want to set our home position using the red dot pointer. So we're going to go over to the pointer button, we're going to hit pointer, we're going to say XY off, and at this point, and you say go, we want to move the head left to right. We don't want to move it front to back, just one direction, and we're going to find that center point on the bottle. So I have my little red dot pointer, and I'm going to move it along here. I'm going to be like, okay, well, where's the center point? Well, I look at the bottle, that 750 milliliter logo there is in the center there, so I think at the 0 point, the 750 0 point is the center point of the bottle. So I'm going to bring it out to my center point here where I want my engraving, and that's a perfect position right there, right in the sweet spot of the Ultimat vodka logo. And so at this point I'm going to go back over to the control panel, and I'm going to say set home. And so we're going to set home to that point there. That's our 0 point. So we're focused, we're level, and the rotary attachment's installed. We're ready to go to the computer now. So we're going to shut the door. I'm going over to the computer. And all I did was click on to my Ultimat bottle file here. You can change the text, of course, but you can see that it's rotated 90 degrees because it's facing the same direction as the bottle. If you wanted to change the text, you could again go over to the A tool, click on the A, and then highlight your text. All right, start up here. And highlight and change the text. We're going to keep it as is right now. But anyways, you know, if you're with a different client, different verbiage or whatever. So now we're ready to print to the machine. So I'm going to say Control P or File Print. At this point, it's going to be different from doing your other templates there that we have with the wood and the flat bottles. But we're going to have to go to Print and then go to Preferences. And here we have our default settings, which are all set right here. But what's not set is the center engraving button. And so for this, where we set our home, I need to hit center and then say OK and then say print. And so now the job goes over to the machine. The job is now in the queue, and then we're ready to engrave our Ultimat bottle. And there we go.